all y'all, set to achieve. Welcome to another video. I'm actually at CVS Pharmacy. I have a pickup for medication. I just want to put out this video talking about the fact that you need to add making money online in terms of passive income. You need to add passive income. Sorry, this scarf is making me hot. You need to add passive income no matter what you're doing. Whether you're working for yourself or whether you have a 9 to 5. One thing I love about passive income is that you don't have to be at any place. You know, you don't have to be at a certain place, you know, or any time to make that money. You know, it's so important because it's like, whether it's, and the great thing about it is that you can earn as you learn. You know, you're not dependent on any particular platform to pay you on a certain day. You get daily pay. The other day I was sitting at home, you know, in my bedroom office, and I got back-to-back payments from my online course. So like within like the course of like maybe 3 hours or so, I got $150, you know, and that happened to be a day that my kids were off from school for Martin Luther King's junior birthday. So I was thinking that, okay, maybe I will stay home for a little while, maybe later in the afternoon I would go out, and it was kind of like a chill day because I wanted to spend time with them. But I didn't even have to go out because that was money that came into my account. What I'm saying here is, you know, and this is money that I kind of like just left in my stand store. I said, like, you know, as it gathers, I will use it to pay my my NICOR bill. So because it's like in Illinois, because when it gets cold, you know, your NICOR bill kind of, because your heat is on all day, so your NICOR bill is higher. So like in the summertime, it could be like $30 in a month. But in the winter here in Illinois, it could come up to like $300, $250 per month. So I'm like, you know what, let it add up, and then I'm gonna cash out and then use it to pay my NICOR bill. That's money that I didn't have to struggle for, right? So what I'm saying here is, I think it's something that is paramount. This is money that I didn't have to go driving around for with my delivery. Now I do delivery, as you can see. Like I said, I'm picking up a CVS pickup. This morning I picked up, what did I pick up? 3 doors. I took it to a place in like about 15 miles from me, yeah, from the Home Depot around my area. But what I'm saying here is that you can, I mean, passive income, learning how to make passive income via digital marketing is something that I believe that everybody should learn. I don't care what you're doing. I don't care what your profession is. Whether you're working for yourself, whether you're an independent contractor, you should learn how to do digital marketing, okay? Now, I have the multiple streams masterclass bundle, okay? It's only $49.99 for the whole package, okay? It has 4 different modules, okay? The first one teaching you how to run a I think it was like, the first one is the Middleman Business Guide. Then it has the second one, the Mobile Business Guide. So for the Middleman Business Guide, you basically learn how to do what Uber and DoorDash and Airbnb does. You act as a middleman to service providers in your area, okay? And as a middleman, you provide them customers, okay? Leads that are ready with their card in hand, okay? So in order for them to actually pay for in order for them to actually book the service, they have to pay you, okay? So they pay you a deposit, and then you send the job to the service providers. So whether it's a window cleaning business, whether it's a home cleaning, whether it is a power washing, regardless of the business, okay? If they need customers, you can supply, okay? So that is the Middleman Business Guide, and you literally make money from your phone, okay? If you can find them customers, whether it's via having a car sign, magnet sign beside your car, or whether it's online, or whether you set up a Google business, whatever it is that you do, you're able to learn how to get customers for these businesses, right? You know, you network with them, let them know that, hey, this is what I do. And you know when you get you get customers for them, you get a cut, and then they get paid. I mean, they get paid, when they do the work. So they're the one doing the hard work, and you're just getting paid for getting the customers. Okay, mind you, a lot of these businesses do not know how to get customers. Okay, then finally, so I have the mobile business guide, I have the middleman business guide, I have the passive riches bundle. Okay, now the passive riches bundle teaches you how to make money online, hence passive riches. Okay, this week alone, without doing anything except just doing like a little bit of promotion, talking about the business. You talk about the business anyway. If you go to a movie, if you go to the movie theater and you love the movie, you're gonna tell your friends about the movie. So I mean, it just comes naturally talking about like what I do, right? So the middleman business guide will teach you how to do all these things. So the passive riches bundle teaches you how to make money online. Now the passive riches bundle is included in the middleman in a multiple streams masterclass bundle. It talks about so it teaches you how to, first and foremost, to brand yourself. Okay, branding, I mean, a brand is what makes people know who you are, recognize who you are. Okay, so branding, whether it's the colors, whether it's a name, all those different things, it teaches you that. It teaches you how to market yourself effectively on whichever social media platform of choice that you choose, whether it's Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, whatever you choose. Okay, you learn how to market effectively. Okay, what it hooks. Okay, hashtags. Okay, social media planner, faceless marketing. Okay, so all these are different modules, different templates. Okay, so you learn all these different things. Okay, so you can learn how to market effectively on social media. Okay, my tool or platform of choice is what do you call it? Where are we at? Yeah, YouTube. Okay, because YouTube teaches you how to, I mean, for me, I love YouTube because I just like to talk. I like to be able to connect with people all over the world, but I mean, it just depends on your, where you're comfortable, right? And yeah, so, teaches you all those different things, and then you're able to earn money from your phone. You're earning money. The other day I was earning money. I was doing DoorDash. I made money while doing delivery. I got a ping from Stan Store. Okay, and the platform of choice to sell your digital products is Stan Store. Stan Store is very beginner friendly. You just put it in there. It teaches you how to name everything. Just, I mean, it's very beginner friendly. It's great, so, and by the way, the passive riches bundle is completely customizable, and it has PLR rights. So you can, I mean, if you don't have what to sell, you can sell the passive riches bundle. Okay, it's all inclusive. You can rebrand it, rename it, put your own links, and there you have it, an online business, fully automated, just ready for you to go. Put it in your Stan Store and just start talking about it. Okay, so you can start making money online right away. I mean, it would just, like, to me, it just eases your pain. It would just ease your pain. I mean, it's like the money that I've made this week from my online business, for my course, I don't have to work an extra day this week. Okay, and the more I do it, the less and less I have to do delivery, right? The less and less I have to do other things. I can just focus on the businesses that I'm doing on my phone. Okay, so I mean, I just think that it's just, I mean, why wouldn't I talk about it? Because it's like, it makes my life easier. Learning digital marketing will make your life easier. Okay, I left nursing 5 years ago. Okay, we're in 2025. I left nursing in 2020, right before the pandemic. Okay, because I started writing on the wall. I was already burnt out 6 months after I became a nurse. Okay, but it took me 10 years, because of responsibility, just so many things that were kind of like holding me back. And just like not really willing to take a step of faith, but finally I was like, what, enough is enough. Okay, and I left. Okay, and it was shortly after, a couple of years later, that I left my narcissistically abusive situation at home. But what I'm here to say is that depending on a 9 to 5, or just depending on just one thing. Let me just move a little bit this way. This parking lot, just so that way it's easy for me. But just depending on just one thing, is nowhere to be. Depending on just one thing, I'm a strong believer in multiple sources of income, hence the multiple streams masterclass bundle. Multiple streams, okay? So that way, on a day that you don't feel like doing delivery, you might have money coming in for your digital marketing, whatever you're promoting, whether it's a PDF, whether it's, if you get this, and it's only, like I said, it's only $49.99. Okay, so nobody has you're literally without excuse. Oh, I don't have a license. Oh, I don't know how to do this. Oh, I don't know how to this. Oh, the apps are not available in my store. Okay, now how to quit your 9 to 5 and make a full-time income with your car is included. It has 72 different apps, but some still say I don't have this apps in my, I live in a rural area, but you have a phone, right? If you're watching my video, you came across my content, you have a phone. Digital marketing, no matter what you're doing, will make your life easier. If you learn how to market effectively on social media, the sky is only the beginning for you. Guys, I'm waiting for my YouTube channel to monetize. Okay, but I did a video called Monetize Before You Monetize. I don't gotta wait, because I can still make, I had money coming with pings. Several pings this week coming into my Stan Store. And that's what I'm gonna use to pay a bill. Okay? Several of them, I was sitting in my bedroom. One came in when I was doing delivery. What I'm saying here is this. I think that in this day and age, it's important to learn to make money apart from a 9 to 5. Because even like mentally, it gives you some kind of relief. What it does for me mentally, the joy. Even just one payment, the joy that came in, it'll look as if I got like $1 million for real. Because it's like, okay, right? So you need to learn how to market effectively on social media. And just like, because it's like you can, I used to have, so during the pandemic, okay, I left nursing, and I was looking for like ways to like strategize, so I went back to doing braids. So I started my mobile braiding business, hence the mobile business guide, teaching you how to run a mobile business, how to, go about it. So I started my mobile business, and then I also signed up to be commissioned to be a notary in my state. Okay. And, just to kind of like help me kind of get my foot, kind of like help me, because obviously I left nursing, so I needed other ways to make money, and I've always been a believer in having different strategies of making money, and so as time went on, I started building, you have to start from somewhere, right? And yeah, so I took several courses. I've taken several courses and invested in myself, because I'm a strong believer in investing in yourself to get knowledge. I invested in what was that course that I invested in? The Blueprint. So I invested in the Blueprint. I think I spent about $2,500. Legendary Marketer. I purchased that course. I spent a lot of money on that. So so for me to be able to tell people that, hey, listen, to learn how to market effectively on social media, I did that. I invested in, what have I not invested in? Simply Passive. I've invested in so many online courses. But I'm telling you that online marketing is the way to be. Okay, this multiple streams masterclass bundle, teaching you all these different things, from a middleman, running a middleman business, to marketing on social media, to running a mobile business. These are all different avenues that I use today to make money. I have a middleman cleaning business. I have the sign, magnet sign on the side of my car. When people, okay, right now I'm in Target, somebody might just say, hey, listen, do you have a cleaning business? I'm like, yeah, sure. And they're like, oh, okay, do you have a card? Here I go. Card's right here. Card is right here. I'm ready. I pass it to them. So I'm not doing anything that I'm not telling you to do. What I'm telling you is, this is the way to make your life easier. We all have bills to pay. Okay? So So the way I've been able to thrive and not ever have to go back to a 9 to 5 after I've left nursing is literally by having multiple sources of income. And to me, the easiest is the Passive Riches bundle, learning digital marketing, and it's all included. Okay, so for less than half a cart of groceries, or a fourth of a cart of groceries, because I know how much I spend. I spend a minimum $100 when I take my kids. I have 3 teenagers. Okay, I take them on Sundays after church to Walmart to go get whatever they need, deodorant, this, milk, whatever. Okay, so the minimum I spend is $100. So what I'm saying is, for multiple businesses that you can start, you know, and to get the idea, get some knowledge, $49.99 is a very bare minimum that you can spend. You know, I mean, I think that we should come to a point that we should start valuing ourselves. Okay, I mean, we can go to McDonald's and easily I can spend $45 and more, 50, for a meal for myself and my 3 teenagers. So why would I not spend that money that would change my life, help me pay my bills, get the knowledge, and start implementing the knowledge, you know, and take me from where I am to the next step, right? So what I'm saying is, I'm going to leave the link in the description, you know, so if you're interested, go ahead and grab it. I don't see why not, so that you can learn different ways, you know, how I'm able to, you know, break out of the whole 9 to 5 nursing, healthcare, rat race, hell race, and be where I am today. Work when I want. I'm going to pick up this delivery and then go back home, you know, work on my my online business, you know, and, you know, so have that easier life, all right? Not having anybody to have to tag on my time, not having to be stressed out about going back to a toxic work environment and all of that. Okay, so even if you have a 9 to 5, you can do it. You know, you can start learning, you know, because we know that we cannot depend on a 9 to 5. We cannot depend on a 9 to 5. Okay, we cannot. Okay, I mean, there's people. I was watching a video. There's literally people that have been fired or laid off in January of 2025. You know, so I think the smart way, that even if you do have a 9 to 5, great. Okay, you want to learn how to make money apart from that 9 to 5. You know, and the multiple stream masterclass bundle, while the offer lasts, I think you need to grab it. Okay, yeah, learning how to make money passively with digital marketing, I think is makes your life so much easier. Okay, but yeah, so this is Set to Achieve. Make sure you like the video, leave your comments, share, and yeah, till next time. Let me just quickly go pick it up before the app starts saying that I'm taking too much time. All right, God bless.